Now to the travel nightmare that is unfolding at airports, and it has nothing to do with planes. New rules for rideshare and taxi pickups are leaving passengers waiting potentially hours to get home, something Matt Gutman saw firsthand at LAX, and he has the latest.
Long lines at the airport are nothing new, but here at LAX, these weary travelers aren't waiting to board a plane. They're just trying to get out of the parking lot. LAX recently rolled out a new pickup system which funnels taxi and rideshare passengers from the terminals to an external parking lot, appropriately named LA Exit. The idea was to streamline the process as the airport undergoes construction. The result? Chaos. Many venting on social media.
It's pretty terrible. Logistically, it takes up so much time and people are confused.
Some passengers claim to have waited in line for upwards of 3 hours trying to catch their ride.
In the good old days, this is where you pick up your Uber, but no more. Now, LAX shuttle.
So I jumped on board myself to see what travelers here are up against. And trekking through the lot, I found more than just taxis and ride shares.
And look at this, they're food trucks here. This is not peak time. This should be the quietest, most mellow time of day, but it's not.
The wait just as long as it looked.
Now it's about 15 minutes since I hit the rideshare number. It's been 23 minutes, 27 minutes, and we're almost at the end of the line. Have you been waiting a long time?
Airports around the U.S. are rolling out similar plans, including Boston's Logan Airport, where it's actually been an easier transition.
I like it better. I would say more control.
Learning from the past 2 days, LAX executive Michael Christensen says starting this morning, they're changing traffic patterns and creating new lots for certain ride shares.
The traffic in and around LAX has always been challenging. We've made some pretty big changes here, and those changes are taking some adjustments.
Now, they hope that lot expansion happens tomorrow. When they expand the lot, that means they can funnel more cars in here and hopefully load fares more quickly. Now, yesterday in this area about the size of a football field, they had 25,000 cars, and more waiting also means higher fares. My fare yesterday was about 40% more expensive.
Wow.
Guys.
Wow. Okay, that is something out there.
Yes,
Thanks, Matt. Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.